So ever since owning a Caddy, I've always wanted to turn it into a swamper. This is my third Caddy now, and it hasn't really gone to plan because I painted the bumpers blue, and I know a swamper you'd obviously keep in plastic. However, I still want to put a wheel arch kit on it, and I've wanted to do it for so long, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. So the guys at RGM Automotive sent out this wheel arch kit, and I think it looks brilliant. It's not made for a Caddy Maxi, it's made for a short wheelbase Caddy. So this is for a Mark IV Caddy. So that's why you can't find them, because it is quite difficult to find one for a Caddy Maxi. However, they said they're not sure if it'll fit, give it a try, let us know, and I think it fits 99% perfect. It's really, really good fit. Obviously it's not going to be perfect because it's not designed for that. If you had a short wheelbase Caddy, obviously the door would come here and it'd go on that line. So obviously, as I'll show in a minute, on the other side there's only two pieces here, so you'd have one piece going all the way around there and then another piece on the bumper, whereas here you've got the three pieces. So that is the difference. However, I still think it lines up really well. Again, the difference with my Caddy is older. I've had the bumpers off to have them painted, so they might not have gone back on quite right. They might have changed shape because they've been sanded then painted. So again, that's going to change it a little bit. However, you guys be the judge, let me in the comments, but I think this fits pretty well. You know, it's obviously how well you fit it, but to me, I think that looks brilliant. So check out RGM Automotive in the link description. You can head there and you can buy your own kit. Drop them a message on Instagram or send them an email, or drop me any questions you've got in the comments below or on my Instagram as well, and I'll help you out getting this kit. But yeah, RGM Automotive is the place to go if you want a wheel arch kit. So on the right side of the van, as you can see, there are the two pieces. So you've got the piece on the bumper and then you've got the one piece sweeping all the way along here. As you can see, it just fits amazing. I'm so pleased with the fit here. Obviously, if you had a short wheelbase Caddy, it wouldn't have a sliding door on the right hand side, and that's why you've got the piece here. So that's why the difference. Ideally, RGM Automotive could make another kit for a Caddy Maxi that had two big sweeping pieces on both sides, and that would be perfect for a Caddy Maxi. But yeah, let's get into how you fit them. So the first thing you want to do is wash your van. So you want to get all the dirt and grime off it, so give it a good wash. Then once it's dry, get a microfiber towel like here and just go along and just buff it up, again getting all the dirt and a bit of dust off it. And then within the kit and following the instructions, you have got a wet wipe, so that's a cleaning wipe, and you've got to do that in one direction. So I think if you go back and forth with these wipes, it can leave some dirt on there, so you want to do it in one direction. So maybe start from that end and go all the way around, and just do that just to make sure it's nice and clean. And then it also comes some primer, but going off the instructions, the primer I think is only for the bumper section, which if it's plastics, I think because it's not a smooth surface and it has got bumps in it, it won't stick as well, so that's why you've got the primer. However, mine has been painted, so it's quite smooth, so I'm not going to use the primer. So right before you do the alcohol wipe and stick them on, you just want to make sure they are the right fit for the van you've got. So you just want to offer them up. So find the right pieces. So this is the right front. So essentially all you want to do is just offer them up like that and just think, does it stick right? You know, does that look right? Get the other piece here and just put that underneath. You know, is that going to look right when it's stuck on? If it doesn't look right, then it's not the right kit. But if it's got me and you've got the right kit from RGM Automotive, then it should fit. So you can take it off, use alcohol wipe, and then stick it on. So once you're ready, just go ahead, grab the wipe and just wipe it in one direction. So just like that, all the way around, just get all the dirt and grime off. So there you go, skip the head, peel off the last piece of tape. That's all peeled off. And then when you're ready, line it up and stick it on. And then that should stick on. I believe once it's stuck on, you leave it 20 minutes and then you're good to go. So there you go guys, take off the last piece of tape, line it up. You should be good to go really. So again, yeah, just rub it on and then it should be stuck. That seems pretty stuck to me. So again, like all of them, just line it up before you stick it on, just to make sure it's right. You can see that one. It's up there, and what you can do to make it easier is obviously you're just doing it to join the seals, these lines, so line up to that seal, and then the next one will join up to that seal as well, and then you know that it's in line like that. So again, once you've got the tape off, just line it up. So once you get it stuck, you can't really readjust it, so you want to make sure you get it right to begin with. So there, it's just stuck on. It's really sticky, this stuff, so you want to make sure get it right. There you go, and then kind of just follow it around stick it into place. There you go. And then again, let's give it a good old rub, make sure it's stuck down. And these are nice because they've got a little curve that follows in from the van there, so you know they're correct fit. They are slightly different, these, because obviously these are for a short wheelbase caddy. So on a short wheelbase, the van door line would come down here. So on this side, it's because it wouldn't have a door. So you've got one piece here. On the other side, you've got 3 pieces. I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, it's a great kit. It does fit. I know it's really hard to find these kits. So if RGM Automotive did do another kit, they could just do another big piece like this and a little one for the bumper. That'd be perfect for the Maxi. But if you have got a Maxi, this kit does fit, because I know it's really hard to find these. Yeah, so just rub that on. That's stuck. And then just get the other piece and stick that on. So on the other side, it's exactly the same process. Get alcohol wipe in one direction round, all the way around, take all that dirt off. Just do that a few times. So you pretty much get the gist now. Just essentially peel off the tape and stick it on. And the hardest thing about this is actually getting the tape off. That seems really quite difficult. So that's, you've got to get it right, just like there, just slightly got that one. So another tip to make sure it's stuck, instead of wearing your hands out, you can use your microfiber towel and just rub it in with that, and then it stops your skin getting all worn. So this is the one that's slightly different because it is designed for the short wheelbase caddy. You have 3 pieces. So again, you've got the piece that goes in the bumper like that at the back, so that's pretty simple. And then you've got the 2 other pieces, so a long bit and a small bit. So that bit will go from there round, so that fits like that. And then you've got this other bit here, that'll go on like that. So it's a little bit more tricky, I guess, to get this one lined up properly. You might have a little bit of a gap, because again, this is not designed for a Maxi, but it is the best fit you can find, I think, on the market. Let me know if there's any other better ones in the comments, but I think this is the best one you can find. Certainly what I've come across as well. You've got to try and line it up first before you stick it down and get that stuck on there. That's pretty good to me. So I've lined up the line here. Obviously you might see through the gaps, but again, it depends what colour van you've got. I've got bright blue, so it's going to be very easy to see against the black. But you know, it's best of what you can do, really. It's the first time I've done it, so hopefully it looks pretty good. Let me know in the comments below what you think. There you go, so that's stuck, so do the next piece now. So here is the last piece. So hopefully I can line this one up well. So there you go, that is how you fit the wheel arch kit onto a Volkswagen Caddy Maxi. I think you can agree, it absolutely transforms the van. I'm so pleased, it looks so good. I've got the stickers, the bonnet bar, and now the wheel arches, the black wheels. It just absolutely transforms the van from where I started. It looks absolutely amazing. So thanks very much for watching this video, guys. I hope that's helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.